Good morning and welcome back with another video. I have this splicing machine and the model is Fujikura 90S plus. Okay, and this is the serial number and the link. So right now today I have this machine from my company, and this is used machine. I need to clean this, so let's unboxing this machine and check and clean the machine. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the machine. This is Fujikura 90S. So as you can see, there is very dust. So I need to clean this and check. And this is the lever. Fully dusty. Double tape, another cable ties, alcohol swabs for cleaning, another tape, electrical tapes, sleeves, I think 60 mm. Oh, more sleeves. Okay, this is the charger, and this is the box. I don't know what is this and why, which purpose for use this one. If someone know, please comment in the below. This is soft. It's a foam.